Swamp potatoes? Yep, you heard that right. This southern dish is blowing up on Google Trends, and today I'm diving into the hype. If you've never heard of swamp potatoes, don't worry, you're not alone. But the internet can't stop searching for them right now. So today, I'm doing two things. First, I'll show you exactly what swamp potatoes are. And second, I'm cooking them right here, step by step. Let's get started. Swamp potatoes are a classic southern backwoods dish. Think potatoes, sausage, onions, and peppers simmered in a spicy, buttery broth. It's comfort food straight from the bayou, cooked at family reunions or over a campfire. Here's what you need. 5 large red potatoes cut into chunks. 1 smoked sausage sliced. 1 large onion chopped. 1 bell pepper optional for color. 1 stick of butter. 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. Check the link in the description for my favorite brand. 2 cups of chicken broth or water. And salt and pepper to taste. Start by melting butter in a large pot or cast iron pan. Brown the sausage slices until they're nice and crispy. Next, add your onions and bell peppers and let them cook until soft. Then toss in your potatoes, Cajun seasoning, and broth. Cover the pot and simmer for about 25 minutes, or until the potatoes are fork tender. Let's see what the hype is all about. That's buttery, spicy, and just plain southern comfort in a bowl. Now I get why this is trending. So now you know, swamp potatoes aren't just a viral trend, they're legit. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more comfort food recipes, and comment below if you've tried swamp potatoes before. I'll leave links to Cajun seasonings and cooking tools in the description. See y'all next time!